Hello, welcome to the website that houses the Facilitated Assessment of MTSS School Level, or the FAMS. This site contains the FAMS and supporting resources. We will update this site as new resources become available. As you visit the website, you will land on the home page, which will point you to several initial resources for the FAMS. You can navigate to the resources from the left-hand side of the page or from the page itself. Our first resource is an overview and frequently asked questions about the FAMS. Let's review a few of these questions. You can view each document on the web page, or you can use these arrows to pop the document into its own page where you can download it and access the hyperlinks. Let's review a few questions about the FAMS. So what is the NC FAMS? The NC FAMS is a tool that measures school-level progress towards full implementation of a multi-tiered system of support. The FAMS contains 41 items in a rubric format. What does facilitated assessment mean? The FAMS is to be administered by a facilitator external to the school's MTSS team. An external facilitator allows all school team members to participate in the discussion and rating of each item individually. Some additional purposes of having a facilitator are to guide discussions, assist teams in problem solving, and answer questions as they arise. What has remained the same from the NC SAM to the NC FAMS? The FAMS maintains a similar structure to the NC SAM. It's organized by the 6 critical components and requires about 90 minutes to administer. The FAMS maintains rubric scoring and a percentage for each critical component. The FAMS can be administered to all schools in a district. What changes exist in this new tool? The FAMS contains 2 new items not found in the NC SAM. Item number 2 and item number 31 bring new content to the FAMS. The FAMS no longer includes a level of implementation scoring for each critical component. And the FAMS will include a total percentage for all 41 items. Another question that might arise is, will the FAMS be used for MTSS recognition status? While the FAMS, the ratings will not be used for recognition status for the 18-19 school year to reduce bias and facilitate critical reflection and analysis of implementation. And a final question you might have is, well, what if I've already completed the SAM this year? Schools who have already completed the NC SAM for the 18-19 school year through the web application will have a chance to confirm their scores on existing items and add scores for the new items beginning in March of 2019. As we go back to the web page, you'll see some additional information about the FAMS, including the rationale, history, recommended use, and guidance for administration. Below these links, you'll find the actual FAMS. You can download a copy by clicking on these arrows and then clicking on download. You'll notice on the FAMS that each item is on its own page with related notes as well as suggested evidences. This structural change to the document was a request from you, the stakeholders, for ease of use. On the next page, you'll find additional information for implementers. There's first a tool for assistance with planning for administration, as well as a summary of changes from the NC SAM to the NC FAMS. This document outlines each item of the FAMS, where you can find that information in the SAM, as well as the tiered fidelity inventory. You will find any language changes to the items from the NC SAM to the NC FAMS in this table. Minor language changes are noted in yellow, and major language changes are noted in green. Another resource you might find useful as you transition from the NC SAM to the NC FAMS is a crosswalk from the tiered fidelity inventory to the FAMS. This document outlines each item of the TFI, where you can find that content in the FAMS by item number, as well as a brief description of the content representation. The FAMS technical report, which outlines the complete study and results of this new tool, is available here. Thank you for your attention during this overview, and here is a link to the FAMS website.